Cultivation theory is a communication theory that explores how prolonged exposure to media, particularly television, shapes an individual's perceptions of reality. The theory posits that consistent exposure to certain types of media content can influence viewers' beliefs and attitudes, making them more aligned with the reality portrayed on screen than the actual world around them. The core of cultivation theory lies in the idea that television serves as a primary storyteller in modern society, presenting a relatively consistent set of themes and messages. Developed by George Gerbner in the 1960s, the theory emerged from concerns about television's ability to homogenize public perceptions. Gerbner argued that heavy television viewers are more likely to experience mean world syndrome, a belief that the world is more dangerous and violent than it is. The cultivation process occurs over time and is cumulative, with the effects becoming more evident as viewers spend more hours consuming media. One example of cultivation theory in action can be seen in the portrayal of crime on television. Studies have shown that heavy viewers of crime dramas tend to overestimate the prevalence of violent crime in society, believing that they are at greater risk of being victimized. Another example is the portrayal of body image in media. Shows and advertisements that consistently showcase slim, idealized body types may lead viewers to internalize unrealistic beauty standards, potentially contributing to body dissatisfaction. A third example involves political attitudes. People who consume partisan news channels over time may adopt more polarized views that align with the biases of the network, often perceiving opposing perspectives as extreme or threatening. Cultivation theory has several strengths. It provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the long-term effects of media exposure, highlighting how media can subtly shape societal norms and beliefs. The theory also draws attention to the potential risks of uncritical media consumption, encouraging greater media literacy. Additionally, cultivation research often employs empirical methods such as surveys and content analyses, which allow for data-driven insights into the relationship between media consumption and public perceptions. However, cultivation theory is not without its criticisms. One criticism is that it assumes a direct and uniform effect of media on viewers, overlooking individual differences in interpretation and critical thinking. Another criticism is its focus on television, which some argue makes the theory less relevant in an era dominated by diverse digital media platforms and fragmented audiences. Furthermore, the correlation between heavy media consumption and cultivated beliefs does not necessarily imply causation, leaving room for alternative explanations. Alternative theories provide additional perspectives on how media influences individuals. For example, uses and gratifications theory focuses on the active role of viewers, suggesting that people selectively consume media based on their own needs and desires. Agenda-setting theory highlights how media influence what people think about, rather than what they think, emphasizing the prioritization of topics in public discourse. Social cognitive theory examines how people learn behaviors and attitudes by observing others in media, focusing on modeling and reinforcement. In summary, cultivation theory offers valuable insights into the subtle, cumulative impact of media on societal perceptions, but faces challenges in addressing individual agency and the complexities of modern media landscapes. Exploring alternative theories can provide a more holistic understanding of media's multifaceted influence.